It's finally come.
Oh, yeah.
And I say it's finally come because I'm the one that's been covering this for the last year. However, a Ghostly Manor opens today, right now in fact. So we are going to take you onto the ride and give you our review on it. Rather than just a POV, we'll talk through the whole lot as we walk through the opening gates here, which we can't wait to see, as everyone is waiting down here, ready for us to go in and get on it. It does look good, yeah.
Does look good.
It does look good. There's no doubt about that. And this is what they want, so we've been following this. We haven't managed to step foot in the gates yet, but we have the swing, landscape, we've been covering the landscape, and obviously the ghostly mirrors as well as some of the fantastic bits that we've been showing you over the last couple of months. And you know, I was lucky enough to see them all paint this and when we come and everything, and it just looked brilliant. And this is our first look at it, even a little pond look. And here we have it. So the old 4D cinema disappeared, which was good. Do you remember the film? Oh God, it was awful. And then this is what's replaced it. We gave you a picture of Dr. Benjamin Kinley the other day. And of course we did get close-ups as well of some of the wallpaper from when it was being built. Look at these, look. That is really cool. That is really cool.
And remain seated at all times. In the event of an evacuation, please follow the instructions of staff and calmly follow the signs to exit the building.
These are very, very clever. Actually really impressed with the amount of screens they've put in.
Dr. Kinley here, Ghost Hunter Extraordinaire. Thank goodness you're there at my manor. I'm in dire need of your help.
That's real brick. That was real brick. Real brick, Cody. Can you actually believe that? Wow, look at this.
Brilliant.
I like that. Love that. That is really, really cool. So here it is. Look at that. Wow. And here are the cars. I have to say, I am super impressed on how this looks. This looks absolutely spectacular. And you catch the lighting as well, was brilliant. Look at this.
Let's go. That's a world record.
Right, here are the guns for Ghostly Manor. Oh, we shoot. Oh, look at these. So I'm purple, just to let you know. There's a little light on the side. There's a little light on the side which tells you where you are. I haven't got any points though. I probably need to concentrate. I got it's So all these on the side here are also physical, so you can shoot these as well as everything down here. Oh wow. Look at this, and you can see the squints they come up. You can see I've overtaken coding. Sorry, Cod. Now, if I was a betting man, I would say I'm going to win this. So I think you can shoot. Hang on, Cody's hitting more than me here. Spiders that come down the nose. Oh, that is so close. I think it's the last one. Right. Look at that. No, you've overtaken, Cody. Come back.
I've found it.
No!
I found how to do it.
Oh, hang on, we're not done. We're not done. What we thought we were done. We're not done. Hang on, I've got ghosts over here. I'll hit my ghost rather than your ghost. How are you getting so much score here? What are you hitting that I'm not? What are they hitting that we're not? Okay, I have not fared well on this game.
Incredible work, team. Boogie and the ghosts are contained once again.
I did not fare well on that, Cody.
Found one way to get points.
Right.
Each of you has done.
That is well cool, look at that.
Your way out.
So I was the worst on the train here. Happy days.
First experience.
A first experience.
Well.
Right.
Takes photos.
It does take photos at the end. Or, yeah, well, I don't know, somewhere it has. Wow. Like, I'm really impressed by that. What do you think of that?
That was amazing.
That was incredible. I tell you what, that's exceeded my expectations, and that is absolutely perfect for Paultons Park. So as you saw there, it loads on the outside, so it is critical that the loading is exactly in line with the scene. So they've really got to be on the ball on that. So you load on the outside and then you flick around and complete all the screens at the same time, which is just brilliant. And then whilst you're doing that, the back ends are loading as well. So it's just one continuous motion. And you've got a mixture of physical sets with some animatronics, and you've got a mixture then of some screens as well. The screens were lovely, they were nice and wide. And you can shoot more than you
how
think.
They work similarly.
Yeah.
You can shoot the objects as well as the screens.
That's it, you shoot the objects and then they're kind of like projection mapped to say that you shot them, which is what I wasn't expecting. And I think one of the key things is there, you can shoot more than you look at.
Yeah, I mean
there's
stuff everywhere.
You're literally looking at things and you're like, oh, I can shoot that and I can't shoot anything else, but that's just not the case. You can shoot pretty much anything in there. Now, sure, I sucked at that.
You did get the worst score.
We will do some more on it. But the queue line is brilliant. So there's 2 pre-show areas. They use a great set of kind of physical sets and screens as you walk through the pre-shows. And obviously when there's a queue like there is now, it's got a 35-minute queue. It's obviously first thing in the day. You would get to experience some of those. You know, Paultons have put this in as the next step up for people, you know, the children really, the children. 5+ that are going to really enjoy it and want that extra fright, and they are going to get that extra fright from Ghostly Manor. That was fantastic.
Yeah,
like, genuinely
no complaints.
Genuinely fantastic. Yeah.
Worked well. It worked very well.
Good.
And the timing was perfect.
The timing's brilliant. Yeah, the timing is absolutely brilliant. So yeah, really good physical sets, really good animatronics. I tell you what, I can't recommend that enough.